are one thing. With a great difficulty, with great efforts, you have you have come to this stage. So whatever ambition, goal you have to put efforts in the right direction. You already decided about the goal. So put your efforts sincerely and definitely you will reach the goal. Because many back at home are really looking forward to see you that you settle in your life, so that they will also feel secure and gives lot of happiness for having put in so much of effort in getting you the best education. So don't disappoint your parents or your kith and kin who are aspiring and who are expecting to see you in good positions in the society in the coming years, in providing good education, good values, and also good environment. I wish them all the best, and also I wish all of you a good and bright future in the coming year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It would be helpful in the long run of our future, and I hope the crimes happening with the women would be decreased by a police officer team. Now, I'd like our Chief Guest sir to felicitate our toppers with medals, and the next session will be continued by Manaswini and Abhilash.
Moving on to 3rd BTech second semester. From EEE department, the topper is Neti Anusha with an aggregate of 76.7. From Mechanical department, the topper is A. From CSE department, the topper is K. Salaika Reddy with an aggregate of 79.3. From EC department, the topper is C. Jyoti with an aggregate of 82.9. From IT department, the topper is R. Kirti with an aggregate of 76.5.
Coming to BTech third year first semester, from EEE department, the topper is G. Rahul with 70.67%. From Mechanical, it is B. Vishnuvardhan with 74.93%. From EC, it is K. Shanti with 85.47%. And from CSE, it is S. Pavani with 80.5%.
Moving on to 2nd BTech second semester results. From EEE, the topper is B. Kiran with an aggregate of 71.1. From Mechanical, the topper is K. Srikanth with an aggregate of 80.80. From CSE department, the topper is S. Pavani with an aggregate of 74.1. From EC department, the topper is N. Ramya with an aggregate of 85%.
Next, second year first semester. From Triply department, it is P. Kiran Kumar with 70.53%. From Mechanical, Dilip Kumar with 85.8%. From EC, it is C. Divya Chandana with 80.13%. From CSC, V. Shravani with 78.8%.
Department. The first place goes to C. Ramesh with an aggregate of 69%. From Mechanical Department, the first place goes to Dilip Kumar with an aggregate of 76.9. From CSC Department, the first place goes to K. Sahiti with an aggregate of 86%. From EC Department, the first place goes to C. Divya Chandana with an aggregate of 84.
Moving on to MTech first semester, it is from CS B. Malaya with 74% and Mohammad Afroz with 74%. Coming to CSC, it is Uma Gajjala with 81%. From ES, it is B. Varuna with 73.75%. From SC, it is B. Sharada Nandakishore with 76.38%. From PE, it is C. Ramaya with 70.75%. From VLSI, it is P. Preeti Meher with 68.75%.
Moving on to the MBA toppers. MBA first year toppers are, first year topper is A. Praveen Kumar with an aggregate of 68.57. From MBA first year second semester, the topper is D. Meena Kumari with an aggregate of 77.14%. From MBA first year second year second semester, the topper is Ashwini Ravindran with an aggregate of 84%. Moving on to the MTech first year second semester topper. From CS, B. Mallaya with an aggregate of 77.33%. From SC, G. Gopi with an aggregate of 77.87. From PE, C. Mallaya with 79.2%. From ES, Varuna B with an aggregate of 81.7. From CSC, the topper is Vijay Kumar with an aggregate of 80%. From VLSI, the topper is P. Sunita with an aggregate of 69.75.
Coming to the students who acquired 100 marks, it is D.
MBA. Please come on to the stage.
These are the cricket winners, second year mechanical. Next, volleyball winners, MBA. Be ready. Second year EC, please come on to the stage. Rolling trophy.
Rolling trophy for the Coco are second year EC.
Next is year-wise cricket match winners, 4th years. Please come on to the stage. Year-wise cricket match winners, 4th years.
The year-wise cricket match winners are 4th years.
Ram Prasad sir, Prasad Rao sir, Vignesh sir, Sunil sir, Ramdas sir, Raju sir, Virendra Babu sir, Srinivas sir, Sandeep, Nagesh sir, Munya Nayak sir. Winners.
And now it's time for the lady faculty games. Runners of tug of war: Susan ma'am, Josna ma'am, Basanta ma'am, Varuna ma'am, Kiranmay ma'am, Siricha ma'am, Sushma ma'am, Sumalata ma'am, Rani ma'am, Ifat ma'am, Swarnalata ma'am. Pooja ma'am, P. Samyukta ma'am. It's time for a felicitation to our chief guest, sir. I request our chairman, sir, to felicitate our chief guest. Give a huge round of applause. For coming.
Push मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और मैं रजनी फैन don't miss that chance और मैं रजनी फैन don't miss that chance
संध्या अरे give a huge round.
And the winners are Sri Pratap Chandra, K. Rajesh Babu, V.
Technical is from EC department.
Let the run. A big round of applause, boys.
Moving on to CSC department. Runners are G. Vasavi, K. Vinila, S. Bhavani and Alia.
And the winners are Harika, K. Pranita, C.H. Saujanya and P. Manoj. Technical quiz winner CSE department A. Harika, K. Pranita, Sonia, Saujanya and P. Manoj. Coming to mechanical department. Coming to mechanical department, the runners are V. Shivakumar, Vipin Kumar and Bala Prasad. And the Karthik Mudiraju.
Please give a round of applause.
Come on guys, show some energy boys.
Kompalli Sushil and Dinesh, second year, and Chess girls, runners second year CSC, Sangeeta and Ramya, second year EC. And the carom. Now we are announcing the caroms of and Syed Sami from second year mechanical. Come on, just give him a huge round of applause. And Sana Veru, same fourth year mechanical. And Sumati Navata, fourth year EC. Yes, please, encourage, give a round of applause.
Now I am calling upon the Milka Singh and PT Ushas of Nishita College of Engineering and Technology. First runner-up is S. Venkatesh. Second runner-up is Bojja Naveen Kumar Reddy. And now I call upon the singers of Nishita. First runner-up goes to Pavitra from third year CSE. And the winner is Aditya from ECE third year. Now I call upon the runner and winner of College. The first consolation prize goes to Shiva from third year mechanical. Second runner up Dilip, fourth year CSE. Chand Priya, second year EC. Chandi Priya. And the winner is Aishwarya, third year CSE.
Second runner-up is Alia from second year CSE. First, the winners for Rangoli competition is consolation prize goes to Soumya and Swati from final year CSE. The first runner-up is Sai Geeta and Rajita from second year CSE. year CSE. The winners for general paper presentations are consolation prize goes to Manaswini, 4th year ECE. General paper presentation, consolation prize goes to Manaswini, 4th year ECE. The third prize goes to Sudarshan, 3rd year mechanical.
Goes to Chadradeep from 3rd year CSE. And Vishista of 4th year ECE, first prize. Ravali of 4th year ECE.
The prizes for elocution competition in English. Special jury award goes to G. Shivani, final year CSE. G. Shruti, 4th year CSE. In Telugu, special jury award goes to Ramya, 3rd year CSE. Second prize goes to Shruti, 3rd year ECE. And the first, 3rd year ECE.
तुझको जब से हाय मैं तो हिल गया, लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया। मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलूंगा तुझे, और जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों डरा। बोला तेरा ध्यान किधर है, ये तेरा हीरो इधर है। तेरा ध्यान किधर है, ये तेरा हीरो इधर है। तेरा ध्यान किधर है, तेरा हीरो इधर है। तो बोला तुझे इतनी भी खबर है कि तेरा हीरो इधर है। तेरा ध्यान किधर है, ये तेरा हीरो इधर है। तेरा ध्यान किधर है, ये तेरा हीरो इधर है। चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देखा चांदनी चिटर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा। मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात, थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात पूरी बात। मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का।
blow up my
annual day function in Nishita College of Engineering and Technology. It has been established in 2003. This is the 11th year we are celebrating, and with this year we have 8 batches passing out from our college successfully. The annual day has been conducted very well. Students have been practicing since many days, and all the performances and all have been done with lot of enthusiasm. It has been done on a grand scale, so it's a very huge achievement for us, and we're looking forward for the future. Yeah, it is a very great feeling, because our students have worked hard for so many days, and they have finally delivered so much of hard work, which you can see. So it is really a proud feeling for us.
Nishita College of Engineering and Technology every year మేము ఏదైతే యాన్యువల్ డే ఫంక్షన్స్ జరుపుకుంటున్నామో ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా ఎంతో సంతోషంగా మరి ఎంతో గ్రాండ్గా మా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎంతో ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్గా పాల్గొనడం జరిగింది. దీంట్లో మరి దాదాపు 150-200 స్టూడెంట్స్ డ్యాన్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్లో అన్ని అదర్ కాంపిటీషన్స్లో పాల్గొన్నారు. లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ పాల్గొని ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ను ఎంతో సక్సెస్ఫుల్ చేసినందుకు కాలేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ తరఫున స్టూడెంట్స్కు మరి పేరెంట్స్కు తర్వాత టీచర్స్ అందరికీ కాలేజ్ ధన్యవాదాలు.
Being fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Nishita College of Engineering and Technology. I express my gratitude to our chief guest, IPS Y. Gangadhar sir. I may like to express our sincere thanks to our chairman, Mr. Vinay Kumar, for external support. I also wish my gratitude to our director, Professor Vijay Kumar, for demonstration. I am very grateful to our Dean Academics, Mrs. Pooja, for their inspiration. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to all our staff members for their encouragement. I also extend my thanks to all the students for their enormous cooperation and also the volunteers. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement in completion of tasks behind their comfort zones. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on our hearty thanks to all the people responsible for invitations, technical arrangements, musicians, stage settings and lighting, catering. Thank you everyone for all your support in organizing this event and making it a huge success. Thank you.
Before announcing the DJ, here's the information for all of us. The ATM machine in our college is inaugurated and is being available from today.
राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के पूछो तो थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी फैन don't miss that chance और रजनी फैन don't miss that चलो जवानी बड़ा जोर जीवे जालमा रजनी दा फैन जीवे जालमा चलो जवानी बड़ा जोर जीवे जालमा रजनी दा फैन जीवे जालमा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा